Good morning, students. Today we start next unit number 4, chemical bonding and molecular structure. So we already learned there are more than 120 different kinds of element which constitute all matters, but only noble gases are exist at in independent atoms form at under the ordinary condition or environment condition, but other elements atoms exist in a combined state like a molecules or cluster or aggregation of atoms or ion same or different elements, so their existence and own characteristic properties. So there are so many questions arise: why do atom combines, why do certain atoms combine whereas other don't, what is the nature of force which holds the atom together in molecules? Why do atoms have fixed combining capacity? Why do molecules possess definite shape? So these all questions we give answer all these questions in this chapter. So first we define what is a chemical bond. The attractive forces which holds together the constituent particles may be atoms, ions or molecules in a chemical spaces. So ਇਹ ਉਹ ਅਟਰੈਕਟਿਵ ਫੋਰਸਿਸ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਪਾਰਟੀਕਲਸ ਨੂੰ, ਐਟਮਸ ਨੂੰ, ਆਇਨਸ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂ ਮੋਲੀਕੂਲਸ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਕੇ ਰੱਖਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਕੈਮੀਕਲ ਸਪੀਸੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਕਾਲਡ ਕੈਮੀਕਲ ਬੌਂਡ ਔਰ ਕੈਮੀਕਲ ਬੌਂਡਿੰਗ. ਸੋ ਫਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਨਸਰ ਵੀ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਵਾਈ ਡੂ ਐਟਮਸ ਕੰਬਾਈਨ. ਸੋ ਐਟਮਸ ਕਿਉਂ ਕੰਬਾਈਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ? there are so many attemptations taken by the scientists why the atoms combine. So mainly why we learn, क्यों ਅਸੀਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੈ? to attain a stability, to got a good job ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੈੱਟ ਕਰ ਸਕੀਏ in future. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. So similarly the atoms combine. First answer of this question, first point is tendency to acquire noble gas configuration or octet rule, means ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਨੰਬਰ ਆਫ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨ ਇਨ देयर वैलेंस शेल टू कंप्लीट नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस शेल एंड get noble gas configuration or stable configuration like a noble gases. ਕਿਉਂਕਿ noble gases ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ already electrons ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ totally filled ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, completely filled ਹੁੰਦਾ orbital ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ. clear? So that's why they have tendency to acquire noble gas configuration or octet rule. That's why the atoms combine with each other to get stability. Clear? So next point, the tendency of atoms of various elements to attain stable configuration of 8 electron in their valence shell, it is called octet rule or cause of chemical combination. So ਉਹ tendency ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਲੱਗ-ਅਲੱਗ elements ਦੀ ਹੈ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ stable configuration ਚ ਜਾਂ 8 electron complete ਕਰਨੇ, that is called octet rule. Or the principle of attaining a maximum 8 electron in the valence shell of atoms is called octet rule. ਵੱਧ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਘੱਟੋ ਘੱਟ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ 8 ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਹੋਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਆ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ? octet rule. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਤੇ ਹੀਲੀਅਮ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ, there are 2 electrons in case of hydrogen 1 electron and in case of helium there are 2 electron, but lithium have 3 electron and lithium lose 1 electron to attain a helium configuration, but other atoms get 8 electron in their valence shell. So next point question, why do atom combine? Next answer is tendency to acquire minimum energy and stability. ਜਿੰਨੀ ਘੱਟ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਐਨਰਜੀ ਹੋਊਗੀ ਉਨੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਉਸ ਐਟਮ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਸਟੇਬਿਲਿਟੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੋਊਗੀ. ਸੋ ਐਟਮ ਕੰਬਾਈਨ ਟੂ ਫਾਰਮ ਅ ਕੈਮੀਕਲ ਬੌਂਡ ਟੂ ਅਕਵਾਇਰ ਸਟੇਟ ਆਫ ਮਿਨੀਮਮ ਐਨਰਜੀ. ਲੈਸ ਦੀ ਐਨਰਜੀ ਮੋਰ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ ਦੀ ਸਟੇਬਿਲਿਟੀ ਆਫ ਦੈਟ ਐਟਮ. ਸੋ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਲੋਅਰ ਐਨਰਜੀ ਹੋਊਗੀ, ਲੋਅਰ ਐਨਰਜੀ ਸਟੇਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਐਟਮ ਜਾਊਗਾ, ਉਨੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਸਟੇਬਿਲਿਟੀ ਕੀ ਹੋਊਗੀ? ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੋਊਗੀ. ਕਲੀਅਰ? ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵੀ ਡਿਸਕਸ Lewis symbol or electron dot symbols, which you already learn in 10th class, electron dot structure, or it is also called Lewis symbol. So in the formation of molecule, only outer shell electron take part in chemical combination that are called valence shell electrons. So Lewis symbol or electron dot shell symbol means to represent the electron in the valence shell. So ਇੱਥੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ electron dot structures draw ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਕਾਫੀ elements ਦੀਆਂ. So lithium atom, atomic number 3, lithium has only 1 electron in their L shell. मैं valence shell the electrons ही represent करूँगा. So in Lewis symbol we represent only valence shell or outermost shell electron, not a completely shell electron represent. So lithium ਦੇ ਕੋਲੇ outer shell ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 1 electron ਹੈ L ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Then beryllium has 2 electron in their outermost shell and boron has 3 electron in their outermost shell. and carbon has 4 electron in their outermost shell, and in case of nitrogen there are 5 electron in their outermost shell. In case of oxygen there are 6 electron in their outermost shell, and in case of fluorine there are 7 electron in their outermost shell, and in case of neon there are 8 electron present in the outermost shell. Suppose how many electron present in the outermost shell of O2 negative? So there are 8 electrons, क्योंकि 2 नेगेटिव मीनस साढ़े कोले 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन तो ऑक्सीजन दे ने, बट 2 नेगेटिव मीनस देर आर 2 मोर इलेक्ट्रॉन obtained by ऑक्सीजन। जे असी मैग्नीशियम की गल करांगे Mg2 पॉजिटिव, सो Mg2 पॉजिटिव दे विच 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन तो इन्हें लूज करते, बट यदि नियन वाली कन्फिगरेशन ही होगी 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विथ 2 पॉजिटिव चार्ज। अदरवाइज मैं 2 शो करने सी, बट साढ़े को 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन जो एम शैल दे सी रिलीज हो गए। जां तां तुसीं इस फॉर्म दे विच लिख दो, जां नियन वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन्स डॉट स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म कर सकते हो। बोथ आर राइट फॉर आयन्स। ओके, it is Lewis dot structure for ions. Next, what is the significance of Lewis symbol or electron dot structure? So first symbol, it indicates the number of electron in the valence shell. So it tells us how many electron present in the valence shell. So second, how many electron required to attain a noble gas configuration, मतलब कि कितने electron required ने to get stability and minimum energy. So what are the modes of chemical combination and octet rule? So किहड़े ways दे नाल by which methods atom combine to attain a stability and minimum energy? So atom achieve stable octet when they are linked by chemical bonds. Atoms उदों ही साडे को stable octet occupy कर सकते हैं, achieve कर सकते हैं when they combine or form bond between the atoms or molecules. So atom combines either by transfer of valence electron from one atom to another, gain or lose, मतलब कि एक atom lose करे दूसरा atom gain करे, by gaining or losing the electron. Second method है by sharing of valence electron, like a covalent compound, covalent bond, in order to have octet in their valence shell. So there are two methods to combine atoms to get stability or complete their octet: by lose electron or by gain electron, or by sharing of valence electron in order to achieve octet. Clear? So sodium has how many electron in their outermost shell? Only 1 electron. After losing 1 electron, it attain a noble gas configuration. So this electron lose by sodium, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. It lose 3s electron and attain a noble gas configuration. So by losing, it attain a octet rule, or 8 electron in their outermost shell. The outermost shell on 2s2p6 हो गया. Similarly, magnesium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Its outermost shell is 3s2. Well, it lose 2 electrons from the outermost shell, it attain a noble gas configuration. By losing 2 electrons, it acquire a 2 positive charge, but it have 8 electrons in their outermost shell. Similarly, oxygen has 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. There are 6 electrons in their outermost shell, and it gain 2 electrons to attain a noble gas configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. In this way, it attain a octet rule or stable configuration. Clear? Similarly, fluorine has 7 electron in their outermost shell, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. It need only 1 electron to attain a noble gas configuration. So it gain 1 electron to attain 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 electron. So it attain a noble gas configuration or complete their octet. So let us discuss some few points on the basis of periodic table. So in the periodic table, which we already learned in previous chapter, highly electronegative atoms, halogens, are placed on the right hand side of the periodic table, like a group 17 elements like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So these are present at right hand side, and highly electropositive present extremely left side, like a sodium, lithium, sodium, potassium. So these are present extremely right side, left side. So left side ते साढ़े को electropositive ने, right side ते साढ़े को electronegative ने. These element lose electron, these element gain electron to attain. So halogens gain electron, alkali metals lose electron or alkaline earth metal lose electron to attain octet rule or 8 electron in their valence shell. So these by lithium or sodium or potassium metal lose electron to get positive charge, and halogen gain electron to acquire negative charge. So these two positively and negatively ions combine with each other to form a compound and get stability or noble gas configuration, or after losing one electron or gaining one or two electron, it attain a noble gas configuration and get stability. So on the basis of these 3 points, there are two types of bond. First one is ionic bond, second one is covalent bond. Ionic bond by losing or by gaining or by transfer of electron from one atom to another, that is called ionic bond, and covalent bond by sharing of electron from between the atoms to form a molecule. So these two types of bonds formed when the atoms combine with each other. So full-fledged detail of these two types of bond and we will discuss in next video. If you guys have any doubt up to this topic, you can call me or through message you clarify your doubt. Thank you.